Finally, we get to the garment class. All of the classes that I've made so far have been leading up to this class, and this is the first and most comprehensive in a series of garment classes that will allow you to make professional looking machine knit garments. We'll take you through the process for the 3 basic armhole shapes and then use each one in a garment, showing the process from design, concept, all the way through to finished garment. You'll learn how to take key measurements for designing from scratch, plus how to measure an existing garment and adapt it to your preferences. You'll see me make paper patterns to see how the components work together and translate all of the measurements to rows and stitches and then map out the shaping. I'll use industry practices to make a complete technical package that can be used over and over and even given to someone else so they can make your garment. I'll show you how to review the first sample garment and make adjustments for future samples. You'll see me screw up along the way because, well, it's machine knitting and it's all part of the journey. Whether you use a linker or not, I'll show you how to assemble a garment to get a clean, professional finish. Whether you're designing and making garments for your own use or professionally, you will come away with a full tool bag of tricks and hopefully the confidence to use them. This is where all the tips and tricks you've learned so far come together.